Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Make It Yourself. Today we will learn how to crochet this heart using a brand new easy pattern. Do let me know in the comments what you think of it. Before we move ahead, please do refer to the description of this video to get more information on the hook size, the yarn use and other things required for today's project. So we're going to start off by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around two fingers 2 times, and then using your crochet hook, we're going to make a chain 1 to secure the magic ring in place. And then we're going to take the magic ring out of the fingers, and into this magic ring we are going to make the rest of our stitches. So if you find making this magic ring difficult, you could also chain 1, and into the chain 1 you could make all your stitches. So first we're going to make 4 double crochet into the magic ring. So this is our first double crochet, the second double crochet, the third double crochet, and the fourth double crochet. After the 4 double crochets, we are going to make a chain of 1, and we're going to make 4 more double crochets into the same magic ring. So the first double crochet, the second double crochet, third double crochet, and the fourth double crochet. So once we're done with this next set of 4 double crochets, we are going to place some markers. You can do it without the markers also, but placing the markers makes it easier later on. So we are going to count 2 stitches from the starting, that is the first double crochet followed by the second double crochet, and we're going to mark the space between the second and the third double crochet. So use a marker or use a yarn of different color to mark this place. Now we made a chain 1 between the 2 sets of 4 double crochets. So in the chain 1 space we are going to place our second marker, and we're going to use a third marker, and after the 6th and the 7th stitch, 7 double crochet, we're going to place our third marker. So basically we are marking the middle stitch of the 2 sets of 4 double crochets and the chain 1 space. So after this we are going to make a chain 1 again, and we are going to make 3 double crochets after this. So first double crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. Next we are going to make a chain of 1. So make a chain of 1, and after that make a treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice and pull a loop under the magic ring, and pull through 2 loops at a time, and do this for 3 sets of loops. And now chain 1 and make 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. The first double crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. So after the third double crochet, we're going to make a chain of 1, and now we're going to connect to the first stitch. So to connect to the first stitch, we are going to so before we connect the first stitch, let's close the magic ring. So pull the tail yarn at the center tightly so that the magic ring is closed. Now we are going to connect to the first stitch. So to connect to the first stitch, we're going to make a single crochet on top of our first stitch. So this is the top of the first stitch, and here we are going to make one single crochet. So insert your hook into the top of the first stitch and make a single crochet. Now we are going to make 6 double crochet in the first marked space. So remove the marker and into the space, so it's the space between the two double crochets, so into the space make 6 double crochet. So this is the first double crochet, the second double crochet, the third double crochet, the fourth double crochet, fifth double crochet, and the sixth double crochet. So make all the 6 double crochets in the same space, and now we are going to slip stitch into the next marked space. So in the chain 1 space, that is what we have marked, we're going to make a slip stitch. So after making the slip stitch, now we're going to make 6 more double crochet in the last marked space. So remove the marker, and in this space, this is between the two double crochets. So in the marked space, make 6 more double crochets. So first double crochet, the second double crochet, third double crochet, the fourth double crochet, the fifth double crochet, and the sixth double crochet. Now after this we are going to count 3 stitches from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and in the third stitch, or using the back loop, so insert your hook only into the back loop, and in that make a slip stitch and pull the yarn out and then trim it off. So we're doing this to get a seamless finish here. So we slip stitch to the back loop, and now using a needle we are going to stitch under the front loop so that we get a seamless finish. So here I'm inserting the tail yarn into a needle, and then I'm just going to go under the front loop and then insert your needle such that it comes out to the back side or the other side of the heart applique. So this is the front and this is the back side. Now in the back side you can insert or stitch in the needle through few of the stitches to hide the tail yarn. So just pass it through few of the existing stitches, and once you reach the stitches at the magic ring, you can just pass it through few of the stitches or few of the loops under here. And once you feel that the yarn is secure, you can trim off the extra yarn. You can also dab a bit of glue to the end of the yarn just to make sure that it does not come off. So once you feel that the yarn is secure, trim off the excess. Similarly for the other tail yarn that we had at the center of the heart, so that too you can use either a needle or you can use a smaller crochet hook and pull it through few of the existing stitches until you feel that this yarn is secure as well, and then trim off the extra yarn. And like I said, you could also dab a bit of glue to the end of the tail yarns to make sure that they do not come off. So once the tail yarns are stitched off, you can see that your heart pattern is ready. I feel it's quite a unique and a different style of heart pattern that we have seen so far, and you could use it for a number of projects. You could stitch this heart applique to your other projects like a hat or a sweater, etc. Or you could also convert it into a bookmark, or you can use it for multiple projects. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Do leave feedback in the comment just to let me know how did you like this new heart pattern, and give me a thumbs up guys if this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.